the Salween, the Sutlej, the Indus, Brahmaputra, the Yellow, the Mekong and the Yangtze. If you haven't guessed it by now, these are major rivers flowing through Asia, having started its journey from the roof of the world in the mountains of Tibet. Hi, my name is Pempa Lobsang, chairman of the Tibetan community in Britain. Today, the Tibetan community in Britain, with the Association of Tibet Society, are embarking on a unique project to bring awareness about the importance of the waters of Tibet and the threat it's facing. Specifically, part of this project, we're aiming to distribute over 2,000 bottles around various locations in London. This is just one example of a bottle here. Essentially, we'll be labeling these water bottles as Tibet water, and on it we'll have information on the importance of some of these rivers I've just mentioned alongside some others. The project is aimed at raising awareness of these important rivers, and we need your help to raise awareness, to help with the funding and also to distribute these bottles. This is just a small part of the bigger fight on global warming, and this is our way of contributing to that bigger fight. So I reach out to all of you out there in this interdependent world to carry out our collective responsibility to preserve and to save the Mother Earth. So come along and help us in whatever way you can. Help with the funding, help with raising awareness and sharing the information that we've outlined today, and to bring your friends and family onto this campaign and to make the best of what we can. Thank you.